Lecture by CYC Chen Cynthia. You can pause anytime you need. 你可以随时按下暂停键。Make sure have your tools ready. Okay, so at this section, you need to have your draft paper, so the scrap for the story for 6 pages. Okay, you need to have this and your character design. So how many characters you have in your story, you should have how many plants of them. Okay, so you need to have this too. Alright, so put the character design away. So remember the layout. We require you need to have a full view, so something that you can see entire locations and that can tell where they are. So you need to including a full view in your story and the focus. So something we focus on one object and we can see a lot of detail. And the fit in. So we can see a little bit the object and a little bit background, just like this. Alright, I can see a little bit, but maybe I can see the eyelash, something looks like that, but I can see a little bit location. Okay, so I need to see 3 different layouts in your story. Okay, so the next part, I want you to think about the style. Okay, so I'm going to share some example with the real storybook. Okay, so sometimes you can do the storybook into black and white, just like the sketch we learned. Okay, so the style is black and white. You can do that, or you can have the color one. Okay, or you can use that's the watercolor, and you also can use the pencil crayon to do it. I'm okay with that. Okay, so more example. Okay, so this one, it will be the fit in. We can see the object, but we are not going to see too much detail, right? We cannot see the lens inside the eye or the nose of the bird, right? But we can see a little bit background, but we don't know what kind of tree is it, or we don't know where is the tree. So that's a fit in. Remember that. Okay, and that will be the full view. I can see entire location is a tree and it looks like outside, right? So that's a full view. Fit in. Full view. Okay, and I can say this is the detail. We only see one part of the object, one part of the building, the window. So we can see the fan, the glass, the flower, the fence with the detail, right? So remember, what kind of style you are doing, the sketch, black and white, pencil crayons, okay, or the watercolor, you need to including these 3 different drawing paper layouts. Okay, detail, full view, and fit in. Okay, then the last part, this is a storybook. You are not just doing a graphic, right? You are going to include the text. Okay, so the text could be something very organized, and you also can to do the bubble later to make the word like a part of the picture. Okay, it doesn't have to be looks like the text. Okay, it could be the bubble later, as long as people can read it. Okay, so let's see what we are missing. Okay, so when you're done with the drawings, I want you to make sure you have your storybook looks like complete. Okay, so sometimes you can have a full picture. So what do I mean full picture? You can have the object, character, and the background. So that is the full picture. And And sometimes you can just have a little single object, like one character with something. That's it. There's no background. Okay, so let me see. I have more samples. See, that's the full view, the full pictures. And I remember here has a sample. Yeah, see, just one character. Okay, so now it's time for you to start to create your own story. Okay, so don't forget, you have to include full view, focus, and fit in. Alright? So based on the draft you have. When you complete your drawing, sign the name and write down the date. 完成画作之后，签下你的名字，更写上日期。Don't forget to take a photo of your drawing and send it to us. 不要忘记帮你的作品拍上照片寄给我们哦。And don't forget to clean out the table before you go. 不要忘记清洁你的桌子哦。Bye bye, see you next time.